Welcome back to ITS 129. Let's talk about how to create an ERD. So if I come to Henry and I click on designer, it shows, I have 6 tables. By the way, it's easier if you operate in full screen view, just easier to move the tables, right? So publisher was here, like this, book code to author num, like this, or something like this, right? And then book code, rational, something like this, right? Yeah, so let's go look at it. It was branch inventory book wrote author publisher. Is that the way? Branch inventory book, yeah. So pretty much got it, right? So I'm just gonna I'm gonna go and operate full screen view. Just a little bit easier to move around. Yeah. Now I'm going to give you an example. To create that line, it's going to give me an error message, and because you have to do 2 things. So create a relationship, creating the primary key first, click on that, and then the foreign key. And then it's going to like this. Okay. So there's a couple reasons for that, and there's 2 things that you have to do with every table. So I'm just going to go and exit full screen view, and then okay, like this, ERD1. It's probably going to give me an error message. Okay, cool. Okay, now you have to do 2 things. So with every table, click in it, click on the table author, go to structure. If you see that it's going to be, if there's another key inside here that's going to link it to the table, you have to do something else. Okay, but there's 2 things that you have to do, right? So author has, for every table, you have to operations, change the database engine to an INODB. That allows us to do that. At some point, I'll give you an idea of what that is. Okay, so but book, and again, operations, and like this, okay, and go, right? Now, one more thing. Again, if you have like a foreign key, so publisher code is in the publisher table, right? So in the publisher table, publisher code is the primary key. And we plan on linking it up to the book table structure publisher code. So you have to do one more thing. So you have to do more, and you have to do an index. So we're going to add it as an index down here. Okay, so the primary key is always indexed. Yeah, but if you're going to do a link, you have to go and if you're going to do a link, you got to make sure that field is indexed as well. So again, I click on branch, and I go to the operations, make sure I change it to INODB, click on go. Okay, click on branch, make sure it goes structure. Do I have any links? I do not. I do not have it a foreign key to something else, right? Inventory. I click on the operations, INODB, click on go, then check the structure. Oh, yeah, so I gotta make branch num an index, right? I gotta make that an index. Okay, cool. Moving on, publisher. I have to go operations, change the INODB, click on go, check the structure. Oh, no, nothing in there, right? Then I do a wrote, and then I check the operations, INODB, click on go, check the structure, author num. I have to go and click an index over here, add that over here, yeah? So I should be good now. So I click on Henry, click on designer. Again, it's easier to do full screen view, just easier. So I click here, author, again, inventory, and branch, right? And book publisher, right? Publisher is actually down here. And author number, right? So like this. So again, the way not everything's set up, we should be able to do it. So let's go ahead and do a simple one. Publisher to publisher book. I'm going to click on create relationship, click on the primary key first, then click on the publisher code, update. Cascade means that if you delete a record in there, anything associated in the other table will also be deleted. Or you can set it to blank, or you can do nothing, or you can just say no can, right? Just say no action, and like this. And then, so once in a while it changes everything again. Wrote over here, and then author, right? Just a little bit easier to work with over here. There should be the line. Once in a while, you got to go and toggle it on like this, move it around, whatever. Yeah, I'm just going to continue on. So book code here, and then I did wrote. So book code to book code. So I'm going to do relationship, book code to book code. Okay. And then I'm going to do like this again. And every once in a while, you might want to go out, come back in, come back to the designer, full screen view, like this, right? Wrote. And then I'm going to put here like this, and I'm going to do one more. Relationship, author num to author num. No action, no action. Yeah. You got to just kind of keep on. It's a challenge, yeah, like this, right? And like this. Publisher. Sorry, like this, right? And then author, right? Author. So try again. Here we go. Relationship, author num to author num. Okay. Sometimes it's it says that there's a constraint over there. That means that something is wrong, and that's no problem. Okay. So come over here, inventory book code. Book code to book code. Okay. Gotta go check the data on that guy over there. Publisher just over here. And then inventory. That's right. So I'm gonna come in here. Then I do it again. Branch num, branch num. And then where was the other one? There. So again, every once in a while you just want to go just come back out, come back in, do the full screen thing, just so you can see it. So not the easiest tool, yeah, for this, yeah. Author, okay, good. Book. Publishers here, inventory here. Okay, so it kind of looks like if we go and do that over there, it kind of looks like this, right? And then where's my, I'm just going to go ahead and, I'm going to go ahead and save this page. ERD. Okay, like this, right? Save this guy over there. So then I'm going to go exit full screen. There it is. Okay, like this, right? And then, so it kind of looks like this, right? Yeah, so that's how you make an ERD instead of PHPMyAdmin. Again, it's not the nicest tool, but that's the way you do it.